Ever wondered how to make your home a safer place for your little adventurer? Consider this: baby gates. Yes, those simple yet effective barriers that transform your home into a secure playground for your child. First and foremost, baby gates provide an essential layer of safety. They act as a protective shield, keeping your child away from potential hazards like stairs, kitchens, or any area where accidents might occur. It's like having an extra set of eyes watching over your little one. Now imagine enjoying a cup of coffee or folding laundry without the constant worry. That's the peace of mind baby gates offer. They confine your child to a safe area, allowing you to focus on other tasks. It's about creating a balance between your daily chores and child safety. But it's not just about safety. Baby gates also encourage independence. They create a designated play area where your little one can explore and learn. It's like their own mini-world where they can satisfy their curiosity without any risk. And let's not forget our furry friends. Baby gates serve as excellent separators between pets and young children. This ensures the safety of both parties and helps avoid any unwanted incidents. What about installation? It's a piece of cake. Most baby gates are designed for easy setup and removal. They're not just a safety solution but a convenient one too. So, to recap, baby gates provide safety, peace of mind, encourage independence, ensure pet safety, and are easy to install. They are the unsung heroes of child safety at home. Investing in baby gates is investing in a safer, happier home. So why not give them a try? Your child's safety is worth it.